Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and it is Tuesday. That's exciting, isn't it? Well, this Tuesday is if you're an Unreal Engine developer because it is the first Tuesday of the month. And how it goes is you get Unreal Christmas the first Tuesday of every month. Basically, Epic Games gives away, generally it's 5 pieces of content for the month. You've got to buy it, air quotes around the words buy, that month, but once you've bought it, it is yours forever. Additionally, they often give away assets, in this case, one other asset, available free forever. So without further ado, let us jump in and check out February Unreal Engine Christmas. So again, what I normally get asked every single year, or every single month, is can I use this stuff outside of Unreal Engine? And generally the answer is yes, although it's not really designed for that, and if it was developed by Epic Games, the answer is no. But for all other content, in theory, if you can make it work, you can use it however you want. All right, so let's jump in and take a look at the assets in this week's pack. So the first one we've got is the Amplify LUT pack, or lookup table. This is a bunch of instant color variations, 200 high-quality LUTs in a comprehensive and varied pack for color grading. So this one's normally only $15. Today it is zip. Ignore these, kind of a grain of salt in terms of what platforms are supported. But in this particular case, you're getting 207 LUTs, color lookup table texture groups. Next up in the packs, we have the auto settings. The auto settings is a comprehensive and highly configurable game options and input binding toolkit that supports a range of functionality that is standard in modern PC and console games. So you see, if you need to create a settings windows, things like resolution, graphics input, and so on, this is a toolkit for making it and making it quick. This guy is available as 17 blueprints and 34 C++ classes. So if you're looking to create settings menus for your games, this makes it a heck of a lot simpler. Then next up, we have the Combat Systems Constructor. This is a designer for combat units. Using blueprint scripts, you can generate more than 200 variants of military vehicles as well as control of them. So if you were looking to create like a sci-fi looking game and you wanted kind of a procedural Lego kit and the underlying blueprints that control it, you've got it here. So what we've got here is a number of different parts, autocannons, laser guns, rocket launchers, and so on that go on top of various different tank, wheeled, and walker chassis. This comes with 14 characters, various different textures, from 4 to 11 animations per unit. Nice little pack going on here, but this one is pretty straightforward. It's a collection of modular sci-fi units for making your own games, and then the blueprints that control them. Next up, we have the first-person puzzle template. It's a blueprint-based game template for first-person puzzles with logic gates and glowing effects. So if you're trying to create a first-person puzzler game, this is the guts or logic needed to do so. The documentation link is available right there. So power transport with dynamic glowing materials, multiple modules and easy expansion, logic modules and or XOR inverter, delay splitter, do once, interaction modules, bridge, door, elevator, moving platform. Each module can play custom sounds on activation or deactivation, simple first-person player pawn included with footstep sounds, cube highlighting and collision sounds, cube activator areas to activate and deactivate a power cube. The specifics of what this pack is actually made out of, no idea. All right, so next up we have, I think I'm on the last of the free for the month only, or the time limited things. This is the open world AI spawn system. It's an easy to use spawn system that will save you a lot on performance. In open world games, spawning and despawning are both taken care of by the blueprint in this project. Example AI is also included. So if you want to have swarms of zombies, you can do so. So this one is implemented as, okay, list of features. A spawn and despawn system perfect for open world games. Cleans up after itself to make sure it's very performance friendly. It has example AIs for friendly and a basic zombie. Well documented blueprints. And do they have the details? Yeah, it's implemented as 4 blueprints. So if I'm not mistaken, that is the end of the free for the month stuff. So you've got all of February to get that content we just saw. And then finally, free forever, we have the Advanced Locomotion System V4, an advanced bipedal locomotion and layering system focusing on high quality character animation with responsive movements built to be flexible, extensible, and to provide a solid starting point for new projects. It is currently single player over, implemented 100% in blueprints. And in terms of main stuff is one base character blueprint with one child, one animation blueprint for all animation, one character controller, one player camera manager, 4 interfaces for communicating between all the systems, one data table, and multiple curve structures and enums used throughout the system, one new Animan character mesh with accompanying physics assets, great for prototyping, over 100 keyframed animation examples with cycles, poses, transitions, and more. So that is that. That is this month's free content, plus this guy, which is available forever. Now, if you're interested in grabbing this stuff, it really couldn't be easier. You can either do this in the Unreal Marketplace on the website, or you can open up the Epic Game Launcher like what we've got right here. Head to the Unreal Engine tab, and then head on over to the Marketplace tab for Unreal Engine. You'll notice there is a category here for free and free for the month, or on the main page, you can find it right there. So anything you want, so I'll do it from the... All right, this UI could use a little... Why are you highlighting the wrong thing? I really hate the UI on this guy. If you resize it, it goes all stupid. But, all right, let's try to see if we can get free this time. Nope. All right. Okay, in theory, getting this should be easy as hell, because you just have to come up here to free. But getting free to actually highlight is proving to be more difficult than it should be. But once you've got it, once you figured it out, go to free for the month. Basically just add everything to your cart like so, and you're done. The free forever is available once again under the free category. You'll see there's the permanently free collection. That item is available there. Obviously, there is no time limit to pick that guy up. These are the ones that you have to pick. And then once you are ready with it, click the little shopping cart to check out, and then click the checkout button. I'm not going to go past that point because I think you'll get part of my credit card if I do so. You do not need to have an active credit card to make this work, by the way. It is literally a free purchase. All right, so that is it. That is this month's free content for Unreal Engine. Some pretty nice stuff there, pretty straightforward on the whole, but nothing that's going to really set the world on fire. As always, let me know what you think of this month's collection, and if Unreal's ongoing free giveaways is kind of tempting you over to the Unreal Engine side of things. All right, that's it for now. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.